Hey everyone, how's it going today? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you a scene from the new Sonic 2 movie, and it's going to be the scene where Sonic, Knuckles, and Tails all join together to battle Dr. Robotnik. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now to start off with our Sonic characters and kind of like the final standoff, let's begin with Sonic. We want to start right here, and we're going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to come up and over for an eye. We'll do that same thing over here, just go down. We'll come up and over. For the eye, just draw a line that's going to come down and up. And same thing over here. We're just going to go down and then curve it around. We're going to make a line that's going to come up and down for the eyebrow. And same thing right over here. In the middle of the eyes, let's make an oval. We'll color most of it in, leaving just a little bit white. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and up, and another one's going to come down and then up. We're going to make a line that's going to go out on each side. And then we're just going to curve this around here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. And then we're going to go over, kind of like a little skinny oval. Draw a line across for the teeth, and then just color in the rest of it. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes up on each side. We're going to draw a line that's going to come up and back. Same thing here, we're going to go out to a point and back. Curve up and over. Curve up and over for the inside of the ear. Next we'll draw a line that's going to come up and then back down for the top of his head. Now let's work on the body. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to come down here. We'll make this line come over, and then we're going to come up. We'll draw a little curved line on each side, and another one here with a line across. Make a line that's going to go down, it's going to curve around and up. Little line here, and then a line that's going to come up here for the hand. We'll draw a line that's going to come down for the back. We'll draw right to the hand. We're going to come down, over, and then we're going to go back up for the leg. Same thing here, we're just going to go down, over, and back up. He's got two skinny legs. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and up. And then over here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and then up. Draw those two curved lines and then connect them. Draw a line that's going to curve. And then right here we're going to make a line that's going to go around. And then we'll just make a couple more. Right here we're going to make a little kind of rounded rectangle shape at the bottom of each leg. We'll draw a line down, and then we're going to curve it around here. So draw a little line down, we're going to curve it, and then bring it around. We'll make one more here, and one right here that's going to curve around. Then we'll add the curved lines for the shoes, just for a little bit of detail. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and then same thing, it's going to go out and then in. Draw a line that's going to come down to a point and back, and then one here, down to a point and then back. Now over here we're going to make Knuckles, and he's going to be a little bit lower than Sonic. So we're going to start him right here. We're going to go down and curve it up, and then same thing here, down and then bring it up for those eyes. Curve it around and up, and around and up for the eyes. His nose, we're going to make it a little bit rounder, and we'll make two lines that come down. We'll draw a line that's going to go out, we're going to curve it around, and then bring it up to here. For his mouth, we're going to draw lines kind of make like a sad face shape, then another line across. We'll draw that little line in here, and then just kind of color it in. Then we will make the two little eyes, and a line that's going to come up and down for the eyebrows. Up here, I want to make a sad face for the top of the head. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and back up. Same thing here, we're going to come down and bring it back up. We're going to draw a line over here, and we're going to make it pop out under here and then curve down. This leg is going to come down, and then we're going to bring it down to here. We'll go down and up, then we'll bring this back up and over. Over here, this leg's going to come down, we're going to go over, and then bring it up. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that comes out, and a little line up. We're going to draw this line down and then in. We'll make a curved line around for his glove. We'll draw a line that's going to go down and then up. And another line that's going to curve around here with a little line here. And we won't really see much of the spikes. We'll try to add some right there. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around, and then we're going to bring it back. We're going to make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to put one of those spikes here, and then a second spike here. We'll curve this up, and then bring it back. Next, we're going to bring a little half circle shape with a line here, and then we're going to bring this line up. We're going to bring this line up, and then we're going to curve this one over. For his detail, we'll draw a line that's going to go down and up, and then we'll go down and back up again. We'll add another one of his spikes down here, and a little line for his tail. I'll draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and up. And same thing here. We're going to go down, over, and then up. Now, right underneath here, I'm just going to make kind of like a little bit of a bumpy line. We're just going to kind of come down and then around here and down. So it looks like they're kind of standing on a piece of like broken ground. We'll connect this here and then right here. a little line and another one. This one I'm going to come down. We'll draw a curved line that's going to come around. And then we'll just draw a line down. Line across, and then a little line down here. Now, over here we're going to make tails. So, I'm going to start right here. We're just going to go down. We're going to come over. And then same thing here, down and then over. 2 lines down and 2 lines down here. We'll make a little line underneath each with a little bump in between. Draw a line that comes out, a couple points. We'll draw a line that's going to come down and then up and connect. Little tiny oval nose, we'll color in most of it. And then for the pupils, we'll draw a line that comes down and up, and then one here. We'll draw a little line across and another one underneath. Starting here, we'll curve this line up, and then one over here. I'm going to bring it all the way up here, and then for hair, we're going to make just a couple little points that are going to come down and up. And we'll connect this. For his ears, we'll make a triangle shape that comes up and down on each side. And another one right inside of here. I'll make 2 little lines that come down. And right here we'll draw a line that's going to come up and down on each side to start his hands. We'll draw this line down and we'll curve it around like an oval shape. Same thing here, we'll go down and then just curve it around like an oval. And then we'll add a couple little curved lines in here for the knuckles. We need a half oval on each side to make it look like he's got his gloves on. And a little line up on each side. Curve a line in on each side for the body. Line that comes down, over, and then back up. Same thing here, a line that's going to curve down, over, and then up. Draw a rectangular shape underneath each one. And then I'm just going to continue this kind of broken line down here. I'll make a line that's going to come down, put a curve on it, and then over. And a little line down here. And we'll draw this line down. And then finally we want to make his tails. So we'll just start by drawing a line that's going to curve out. We're going to come up and put a couple little points on it, and then we're just going to bring it back up. And then we'll do another one up here with a couple points and then down. We'll make our wavy lines right across here. And then finally he's going to have a little line that's just going to curve around right up here. Now, inside each of their eyes, I want to give them a little bit of a pupil. So we're just going to kind of draw those pupils right inside of here. And then we can color around the outside. And there you go, there is your drawing of Sonic, Knuckles, and Tails getting ready to face off. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.